Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to convert your YouTube videos into script, transcript or text. Alright, so very simply what you will do is to come to your YouTube channel, and this is usually for people who probably see a YouTube video and they would rather convert this YouTube video into text, or they need the script so they could convert the YouTube video into transcript, which is the written form of the video to use as transcript or whatever, um, or just people who just prefer reading instead of watching a YouTube video. Alright, so you want to come here to YouTube transcript, alright, or rather come to your Google and type YouTube transcript. Once you click on type on YouTube transcript, this is what it would open for you. So you just want to click on this YouTube transcript, and then it's going to open, it's going to bring you here. Alright, you can see clearly it's asking to enter a YouTube URL. Alright, YouTube URL. This is specific for YouTube alone, just YouTube. Alright, so I want to come here to my channel if you have a channel already. Alright, so I want to come here and click on copy, and then I'm just going to copy this link, alright, which is the link to this video here. Alright, and then come to my YouTube transcript and then just paste, which is Ctrl V. Right, I'm just going to come here and click on go, and once you click on go, your transcript automatically starts. You can see all of the content of our video, which means everything I said in this video has been completely transcribed. You can see in this video I want to show you how you can create amazing viral product videos like the one currently showing on my screen. Everything that was said in the video, as long as it has to do with the audio, is right here. Alright guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you might want to hit on the subscribe button, like this video and share so that more people would see it, and it will help more people. See you in my next video.